Hey guys, I'm doing I guess shopping vlog. I'm at the mall. I just parked. I just got my hair done. So we did cut it shorter. The lighting's probably off, but it's an A-line, like bob-ish. And yep, this is how it looks. And yeah, just come along with me. I need a new foundation and I want to check out the new Chanel collection. So I'm hoping my location has any. But yeah, follow along with me and I'll see you soon. guys, this is kind of awkward situation, but just wanted to show you what I got. So, ta-da! In the dust bag to reveal, and of course I'm gonna get it authenticated, but how cute are these? So cute. Let me try it on. That's a cute size. What do you guys think? And I just got a haircut today. But yeah, cute. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this follow me around video. I do want to get some stuff that I showed you guys from my video today. Oh, I also got this. This is just like a little mini backpack charm. Super cute. Actually, I was gonna put it on here. My new Chloe bag. If I can get it open. Maybe not. I don't really like how that looks. I thought it would match the blue, but it's not even the same shade. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna get these earrings authenticated, and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you the things I bought yesterday from Sephora. So I got this little sunscreen powder thing. I think Tabby had one of these. I'm not sure if this the brand exactly. I just saw it in Sephora, so I decided to give that a shot. I also got a new foundation because it's getting warmer and my skin's getting too used to the foundation I'm currently using, and I needed to get a darker shade as well. So I got the Laura Mercier foundation in the shade for W 1.5. And I just got this. I've always used Dolce & Gabbana, but this is just a little mini one so I can put in my purse. And I also got a new moisturizer. And I just literally put it on and it feels so good. It's mainly water. It has a little different scent to it, but it's really good. I like it so far, so I'll let you guys know. But yeah, this is what I got. And I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Bye.